This Coldwell Banker Bisceglia Realty Company property video is presented by Sheila Durham. Investment property opportunity. This mobile home has been added on with some repairs to the floor has already been done. With a few minor repairs, this home could be making you money right away. The property has a large fenced-in backyard, carport, 2-car garage and 2 storage units. Call Sheila today to schedule a showing. For more information, review the details below or contact Sheila Durham at 606-248-4932.